Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today we are going to have air fried sirloin steak and mashed cauliflower. So come on, let's get started. So I have my cauliflower already cut into little pieces, and I have about 2 cups of water in here. So I'm going to turn this on, and you're going to cook your cauliflower just like you would potatoes. Because instead of mashed potatoes, we're going to have mashed cauliflowers. So you want to cook your cauliflower until it's very soft and very tender. Now I have my air fryer heating up, preheating on 400 degrees. And I have my sirloin steak here. That I'm going to pat dry. So I have my sirloin steak here that I patted dry. Now I'm just going to spray a little bit of olive oil on it. And just in time, the air fryer is preheated. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then we're going to go over and put it in the air fryer. So we're over at the air fryer. I'm going to give it a little spray. Then I'm going to put my steak in seasoned side down. I'm going to go ahead and spray the other side. And I'm going to season it with salt. And a little bit of pepper. Now I'm going to cook it on 400, but I'm only going to cook it for 4 minutes on this side. And I'll bring you guys back when the 4 minutes are up. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. So now we're going to flip our steak. And we're going to cook it on 400 again for another 4 minutes. Okay, we got 1 minute left on our steak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pat of butter and I'm going to put it on top. And that last minute, we're going to turn it back on and let that butter start to melt all over our steak. Okay, our steak is done. So we're going to take it out and put it on our plate and just let it rest there while our cauliflower continues to cook. Okay, our cauliflower is good and soft. I went ahead and drained it. So now I'm going to add some butter, a couple tablespoons of butter. Some pepper, and some salt. And then I forgot to plug it in. I'm going to use my mixer and mix it up. Okay, so now I'm going to add some onion and chive cream cheese. And a little bit of heavy whipping cream. And there you have it. Our mashed cauliflower looks like mashed potatoes. And this is what our plate looks like. A nice helping of mashed cauliflower and our air-fried sirloin steak. So let's give it a try. Now the steak in the air fryer, how long you cook it depends on how done you want it. If you want it a little rare, then only cook it for 2 or 3 minutes per side. If you want it well done, then I would cook it for 5 minutes per side. But I like mine medium, and that's what I got. Great flavor. And the only thing I put on it was salt and pepper and that pat of butter. Now let's try our mashed cauliflower. Y'all, you can't even tell it ain't mashed potatoes. So this is my excellent dinner for tonight. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. Both of these recipes will be in the description box. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day. Bye-bye, guys.